Emergency vehicle. Alarm and sounds. Police patrol car. Police patrol car, a police vehicle used for patrolling and investigating at crime scenes. Police riot van. Police riot van, a specially designed police vehicle for handling large-scale riots and protests. Police pickup truck. Police pickup truck, a police version of a pickup truck often used for special missions or equipment transport. Police helicopter. Police helicopter, a police helicopter used for aerial surveillance and emergency support. Firefighting helicopter. Firefighting helicopter, a helicopter used for firefighting, typically equipped with water or fire retardant materials. Ambulance helicopter. Ambulance helicopter, a helicopter used for emergency medical response and patient transportation. Police prisoner truck. Police prisoner truck, a vehicle used for transporting prisoners or detainees. Police motorcycle. Police motorcycle. Police motorcycles used for patrolling and rapid response in urban traffic. Police unmarked vehicle. Police unmarked vehicle, a police vehicle without clear markings, often used for undercover operations. Police utility vehicle. Police utility vehicle, a versatile police vehicle used for various purposes. Police tow truck.
Police tow truck, a vehicle used for towing and transporting vehicles that have violated regulations.
Police bus.
Police bus, a police bus often used to transport crowds or police personnel.
Ambulance airplane.
Ambulance airplane, an airplane used for long-distance emergency medical response and patient transport.
Airplane tanker.
Airplane tanker, an airplane designed for carrying fuel or fire retardant materials to support firefighting efforts from the air.
SWAT Vehicle.
SWAT Vehicle, a vehicle used by the Special Weapons and Tactics (SWAT) team in special and dangerous situations.
Police water cannon.
Police water cannon, a police vehicle equipped with a high-pressure water cannon used to control riot situations.
Ambulance bus.
Ambulance bus, a bus-type ambulance used to transport multiple patients in emergency situations.
Ambulance van.
Ambulance van, a specialized van used for emergency medical response and patient transport.
Medium-duty ambulance.
Medium-duty ambulance, a mid-sized ambulance capable of transporting patients and providing basic medical care.
Ambulance bicycle.
Ambulance bicycle, bicycle-based emergency response vehicles used to access hard-to-reach areas quickly.
Ambulance motorcycle.
Ambulance motorcycle, motorcycles used for rapid response and emergency medical care.
Ambulance car.
Ambulance car, a standard ambulance vehicle used for emergency medical response and patient transport.
Airport rescue truck.
Airport rescue truck, a fire rescue truck used at airports to handle emergency situations.
Brush truck.
Brush truck, a firefighting vehicle designed for wildfires and brush fires.
Firefighter truck.
Firefighter truck, a standard firefighting vehicle used in urban fire emergencies.
First response vehicle.
First response vehicle, a vehicle that arrives first at the scene of an incident to provide initial assistance.
Ladder truck.
Ladder truck, a firefighting vehicle equipped with a ladder for high-rise rescues and firefighting.
Firefighter motorcycle.
Firefighter motorcycle, motorcycles used by firefighters for quick response in densely populated areas.
Firefighter van.
Firefighter van, van-type firefighting vehicles used to transport firefighting teams and equipment.
Firefighter Bus.
Firefighter Bus. Bus-type firefighting vehicles used to transport large firefighting crews.
Water tender.
Water tender. A firefighting vehicle used to transport water or fire-retardant materials to support firefighting efforts.
Rescue boat.
Rescue boat. Boats used for water rescues and emergency response.
Water ambulance.
Water ambulance. Water-based ambulances used for medical response and patient transport on the water.
Police patrol boat.
Police patrol boat. Police boats used for patrolling and ensuring security on waterways.
Firefighter boat.
A firefighter boat is a specialized watercraft used for firefighting and rescue missions on water.